As the rupee slips to a new low every day, the Commerce Minister will tomorrow hold a meeting with participants from Finance Ministry, Steel Ministry, Oil Ministry and Pharmaceutical Ministry to discuss measures to curb the fall in rupee and also to narrow down the wide trade deficit for the country. The Minister is most likely to emphasize on the need to promote exports, as the Commerce Ministry has been time and again saying that the only way to deal with the trade deficit, the widening trade deficit, is the promotion of exports. So sources, however, also tell us that during the meeting, since there would be participants from Steel Ministry, the issue of increasing import duty on steel could also be taken up, as this has been a cause of concerns due to a lot of dumping happening in India after the US increased the tariffs for steel imports and aluminium imports. Another issue which may be discussed in the meeting tomorrow is purchase of crude oil from Iran, as India may start purchasing crude oil from Iran in return of rupee, as the euro will be banned from November onwards, as US has imposed the sanctions on purchase of oil from Iran. So these are mainly the contours of the meeting that's going to take place tomorrow, and we will bring you more details once the meeting has been concluded.